Cornucopia pack opening. Because Cornucopia packs are very good. So we're doing another one. Here's the Cornucopia pack number 1. Let's see what we get, bro. 106 Jamal Crawford. 103 Ingram. 106 Isaac. 106 Kuzma. And 109 golden ticket Dame Lillard. I'm taking them, Crawford and Kuzma. Actually, I'll take Isaac. Because it's a World Tour player, and World Tour players can be pretty good sometimes. For, like, stuff. I might probably sell him, too. I want to sell Dame, but I don't really. Just for the rare card collection. 103 Lonzo, 108 Ingram, 104 Bobby Jones. Prince and Wall. I'm taking Jones, Ball, and Ingram. So, yeah. Okay. Let's see what we get. Okay, we're gonna do a 110 overall plus player. Now let's see what we get. I said let's see what we get, bro. Late, so earlier, I mean. Let's see what we get. 3, 2, 1, bang. 112 overall. Ja Morant. Let's go. From the highlight reel pack. That's a pretty good pull. Thank you guys for watching. We're out.